Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating weak links. First, make sure the source device volume is at maximum and the app or system output isn't limited. Next, inspect and reseat every cable. Loose or damaged RCA, aux, or optical leads reduce loudness. Once done, power on the amplifier or powered speaker and set the input gain to the minimum. This protects hardware. Then begin raising the source level slowly while monitoring sound. These first steps avoid clipping and reveal whether higher volume is possible safely. Now you focus on the middle of the chain, the amplifier and signal path. Use an amp or powered speaker sized above your speaker's impedance and wattage so you have headroom. This prevents distortion when increasing volume. Once connected, adjust the preamp gain and tone controls to avoid boosting frequencies that cause clipping. Set crossovers to direct low frequencies to subwoofers. Also, swap to balanced XLR or high-quality RCA cables to minimize signal loss. And test at moderate levels before finish by raising output carefully. Increase gain and source volume in small steps while listening for distortion, overheating, or speaker strain. If you hear distortion, immediately reduce gain. Distortion usually means you've hit the amp or speaker limit, or there's an impedance mismatch. Make sure the speaker and amp impedance are compatible, and check speaker voice coils for heat. If problems persist, switch to a known good source or test with a different amplifier. One quick troubleshooting tip. Use a reference test track to isolate whether the problem is source, cabling, or amplification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.